How to allow access to Google Photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google Photos application. Google Photos is used for automatically backing up photos and videos to the cloud, enabling users to store and access them across devices. It also offers organization tools, including AI-powered sorting and creation of albums, and features for editing, sharing, and printing memories. Once you're here, tap on Continue to give the app access to your photos. From here, select Allow full access to give full access to your photo library. You have now successfully allowed access to Google Photos. You can view all your photos and videos from here and back them up to Google Photos as well. Following these steps, you can easily allow access to Google Photos on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.